Hi, I'm Wendy Nelson. Welcome to Forest Escape.
In the homestead, I hope to simplify, but I keep complicating everything. And we have the Hamfest with ham radios, and a curious squirrel, puppy supplies, and a brand new puppy coming.
So we don't want the pets destroying the chairs, so I bought 2 twin gray sheets and just sewed them together in the back area so that they can't come off. And I think that'll protect the couches from the hair and the nibbling by the puppy. I had blankets on there, and those are too hot for the coming warm months here. The raspberries already have buds, so that's really nice. Happiness is a sock to bite on. His little teeth are like razors, and he just has to chew on something.
So we got a 1-gallon water for his puppy pen, and we got a 3-gallon water for the kitchen. So yeah, it's very handy. These were bought on Chewy, and one of them was 60% off, so really good.
We have another flower blooming early like daffodils. It's butterweed, according to the app.
This is the poultry grit for the chickens, and they need that for digestion.
Gotta go early this morning to the Hamfest, so chickies had to be taken care of early. Getting ready for the Hamfest. I think we'll take boxes in on the dolly.
Heading to the Hamfest and the convention center. The clouds are like fur. CB radios and ham radios are really making a comeback, and they're a part of history. It's really interesting. If the internet fails, you always have this kind of communication. I took some of my Christian children's books and mosaics, so that was nice too. I have nervous energy, so I have to do something with my hands. If I'm watching TV, then I'm crocheting. So working on another Afghan or blanket. Gunner is getting really big. I'm starting to connect the squares. After I put the chickens in the coop, I put an egg on the plate for the possum and the cat, and the cat wasn't interested. So the first possum lapped up the egg white, and the second possum got the rest that was inside the eggshell. And this is our new baby coming April 29th. And it'll be a little friend for Gunner, little girl. So we're very happy.
Be sure to like and subscribe and share with your friends. Have a great day.